Hey, and welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos we take a look at Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and everything going on in the world of digital assets. So let's take a look to see what's going on in Bitcoin and the rest of the market today. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so because we do check out everything cryptocurrency. Let's see what's going on right now. So as you can see, we're slowly heading back up to where we were, getting closer to that 6K mark. We're sitting roughly at around 5,817 US today. Now if we hit the 12-hour mark, you can see the general climb that we are up, but it's been pretty volatile the last couple of days with a lot going on in the market, especially Bitcoin Cash. As you can see here, the overall market is looking pretty good, but Bitcoin Cash has just been dancing. It's up 24, almost 25% today in the last 24 hours, and there's not many other coins in the top 100 that you can say has a similar situation going on. So let's just see something interesting. If you hit that 24-hour volume button, you can see that Bitcoin Cash is 1 billion, over $1.5 billion of volume in the last 24 hours. Now that's just sitting below Bitcoin. That is crazy impressive. And we saw the reason for this sitting on fork.ol with the difficulty that was just killing Bitcoin, but now you can see it's dropped back down. And that's pretty typical. You'll see that go up and down before, this is a new coin, and there's going to be a lot of things that they need to tweak out to find that perfect consistency. But we're expected to see that over the next few months, where Bitcoin is going to drop its volatility and start to slowly climb. At least that's what developers are talking about. Now, Bitcoin Gold, the most recent fork you can see here is really plateaued. It's sitting just at around $119. It's up a little bit from yesterday, but it's just plateaued. And that's because not a lot of action is going on with the actual coin. There's not many people that have access to it. The people that did have access to it have kind of done what they wanted to do with the coin. But as you can see, here's a screenshot I took from one of my exchanges here, Quadriga.cx. They have already dumped Bitcoin Gold into their clients' accounts. So you can see your Bitcoin Cash, your Bitcoin Gold, and then the rest of what they have there. They haven't given full access to actually funding and withdrawing yet, but that's simply because the development isn't there. They have nowhere to send or receive it to. But something cool to look into, Quadriga.cx. I'll leave a link in the description below because they're one of the few exchanges that actually allow you access to these coins from the fork. And in my opinion, they give you the best possible option. Specifically with Bitcoin Cash, you had that within 72 hours. Within a week or so, you were able to trade it, withdraw, and fund, and you still can. So in my opinion, check these guys out. You'll get verified completely free. I'll show you the link, but just hit that register button and get yourself set up with Quadriga. Something else in the news, if you don't follow me on Twitter, check me out. I'm the Crypto Kid. I've been pumping a lot of videos for Bitcoin Cash lately just because I do see the potential. So if you haven't seen the new Bitcoin Cash, I took an interview with Roger Ver a couple weeks ago and pulled some interesting facts that he said out of that. But definitely we are getting closer to that SegWit2x hard fork. You can see that we've hit this marker here. I'll leave this link below. It just kind of gives you a detailed timeline to see when it's actually coming. And they've landed on November 18th for that hard fork to happen. But a lot of stuff going on with the fork. There's a lot of new interesting articles coming out with some different perspectives on why they think the price is going up and down. Cointelegraph came out with this really in-depth article today talking about Bitcoin Cash as an example. It's not a great analogy to use for the upcoming fork, but it is for something such as an unprecedented situation like this, they're giving quite an example here with Bitcoin Cash and how the fork will play out with the upcoming SegWit2x fork. So we will keep this in the forefront. If you haven't followed along, please do so because we do keep the news in the forefront and we try to stay current with everything that's going on with Bitcoin. So please hit that subscribe button, follow us on Twitter, and we will see you in the next one.